name is Emily. Welcome back to Junk Journal Inspirations. So this is my second video for my most recent Craspire haul. And one of the items that I received, I didn't purchase, they sent me, were these gold and silver emblem seals. So my thought was, I want to try embossing these. So we'll see. I have not tried it yet, but I've pulled out a few of my embossing folders that I thought might be good for this. I'm not sure about this one. I'm not even sure if you can see what it is. It's just got a bunch of different flowers and leaves and stuff. And I thought, well, let's see what happens. So I can't do the actual embossing on camera because my Big Shot is over there. So I will I'll just go ahead and turn off the video. I'll go and emboss, and then I'll come back and show you the results. Okay, so that turned out amazing. I'm so happy with how this worked. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work or not. So okay, let me just show you. So this is like a damask, I think that's how you say that, pattern, and they peel right off, so no worries about that. And then, I don't know, you have the cool backing sheet that also has the embossed print on it. So, you know, it could be used for something else. I probably shouldn't have taken that off, but that's okay. I'll add glue anyway, but that's the gold and the silver in that pattern. I hope that you can see that okay, because I think it's really cool. And then this was a Tim Holtz sort of collage embossing folder, and I love how that turned out as well. Hopefully you can see that there's not too much glare and reflection. It's a little difficult, but I love how that turned out. And then this was like just like a flourishy, you know, pattern. Super cool. Like, I mean, really neat. So, and then this was just some diagonal lines. Nothing terribly fancy there. And then on these two, so this was the one that had like all the flowers in different areas. So this is what it looked like, just plain, right? Very cute. And then this one, I took some of the Tim Holtz Foundry Wax in the Mind color and just added that to the flowers. And I'm so thrilled with how that looks because the Foundry Wax is also shiny. It just, I don't know, I think it looks really neat. Super cool. And that was my first time playing with this. I've had it forever and I didn't have time to play with it. So I'm so excited. And then same thing, this is the Tim Holtz typeset, maybe? I'm not sure what it's called, I can't remember. But I did add some of the statue color Foundry Wax, but you probably can't, I don't know, maybe you can see that. It's a bit difficult with all the glare and everything, but yeah, I just was playing around really. But I love how these turned out. So I have a ton more to play with, and maybe I'll come up with something else to do with them. But yeah, that was a major success. I'm so happy. I was really nervous about that, and I just absolutely adore you know, how that looks. Now, the adhesive might not work anymore after it's been heated like that with the high heat gun, but it might be fine. I would always add glue anyway. I never trust self-stick stuff really. Okay, so now I had a go at trying to figure out something to do with these because they did not, if you watched my video yesterday, they did not do what I wanted to do as far as using them with my wax seal stamps. So this is so simple and nothing really fancy, and I just took a bus ticket that was sitting on my desk. I added 3 of the beads. Now I had to glue them down because even though my heat tool isn't supposed to blow air, I mean it does a little bit, and they just kept flying all over the place. So I just added some glue to hold them while I heated them, and then I just melted them a little bit. I don't know if you can see that or not. It just adds kind of a cool texture, and you know, just something on top of there. I'm assuming the clear ones would do the same, but I figured that would be not a very interesting thing to show you because it's just going to be clear. But yeah, I'm really happy. Let me move this out of the way, see if we can get a better. I'm really happy with how that turned out. And honestly, you could just glue them down and not heat them. Or you could heat them longer. I didn't heat them very long because I was just trying to see if it would even work. But you could just take these and glue them, you know, onto your collage or project, whatever you're doing, and it would just add some texture and interest. So I think that's what I'm going to end up doing with them, because I wasn't thrilled with the wax seal stuff, with, you know, using them with the wax seal. So that's that. All right, guys, please go and check out Craspire's website if you have not already. There's a discount code in the description box, along with links to all the products from their site that I used today, and I'll go ahead and link to the ones that I used yesterday as well, so that'll include these guys. Yeah, I think these will be fun to just add as little texture elements. I'm kind of excited about that. You know, I'm trying to think of a new way to use something that doesn't work the way you want it to. I don't want to get rid of them because they're really pretty. So yeah, hopefully that'll be something I can do with them. And then these, yeah, so thrilled with how that turned out. And I'm excited to, you know, do some more with some other embossing folders. All right, guys, I think that's it for now. I think I've said everything that I needed to say, and I will be back soon. I am going to start working on my next design team project for Tracie Fox, which will be a Darling Bees journal. That's the name of her kit, Darling Bees. There's actually two of them. There's a color one with colors, and one that's more just yellows and blues, I think. So I'm super excited to start on it. I've been thinking about it since before surgery, and I'm just so thrilled. So I'm going to be working on that. I might come in here and there and share some of what I'm doing with you. I'm not sure yet. I'm still not 100% back to, you know, my normal, whatever that is. So I'm not sure if I want to film any of it yet. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with that yet. I know it's silly, but my anxiety gets in the way. I will do my best to come on and show you what I'm doing before it's finished. If not, you'll definitely see once it's finished. Yeah, so I hope you all have a fabulous day. Thanks for stopping by and hanging with me for a little bit. And I hope that there was something that inspired you today, and trying and maybe inspire you to use something you have in a different way that's just been sitting around and you're not sure what to do with it. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.